Hi, I'm Ben Shute, and this is Kai-Ching Chang.
I'm in Boston, and Ben is in Oklahoma.
We met at the New England Conservatory in Boston in 2011, and we played our first concert together shortly after that.
It was a very special collaboration to me. Ben is truly a unique violinist. I call him Dr. Shute sometimes because he knows every aspect of music.
And lots of music jokes too.
Every tone he created speaks and communicates.
The messages of his music are so clear that we don't need to speak much of what we need. The connection and interaction happen naturally. We collaborated a couple times after this concert, then life took us in different directions. After 5 years apart, Ben recently wrote me to see if we could post a Brahms recording we did on YouTube. It was the moment that I realized I miss collaborating with such a special violinist, and we have to do something. We both agreed to make this recording true to our voices with the least post-editing as possible, to capture the real moment of the music happening. Do you remember how the old records used to sound? The tone is much more vivid than the digital world. And there's no way to cut or paste a single note to make it seem perfect or process intonation equalization. So, we will record on analog.
If you're craving for chamber music, romantic Brahms selections, or you would like to feel connected to authentic experiences, please support our project by pre-ordering CDs or digital files. Thank you for watching.